everyone, today our topic is trunking. In previous video, we will discuss about the VLAN. In today, we will discuss about trunking, trunk port, trunk link, DTP, which stands for Dynamic Trunking Protocol, DTP modes, administrative mode, and operational mode. Okay, in today's video, we will discuss about these topics. So, let me go to packet tracer, take one switch, connect it to some PCs, PC1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. As in VLAN, we have 4 departments. Here we take only 2 departments. Connecting it with connecting wire. Okay. Here we have 2 floors and both the departments are available in both the floors. Okay. So let me take one more switch of the second floor and connecting devices. 1, connecting it with connecting wire. Both the switches are also connecting to each other. Okay. Let me show you both the departments. This is our HR department of first floor. This is our HR department of second floor. Okay. This is our marketing department of second floor. This is our marketing department of first floor. Let me write. HR department has VLAN 2. We can write HR department VLAN 2. Marketing department VLAN 3. Marketing department VLAN 3. Right? Okay. Let me configure our first switch. Realign. Enable conf T, global configuration mode, VLAN 2, right? Name, HR, interface range, FA 0/1 to 4. Next is our VLAN 3. Oh, sorry. Name, marketing. Okay. Interface range, config T, interface range FA 0/1 to 4, switch port, switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 2. Okay. Again, interface range FA 0/5 to 8. Switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 3. Exit, exit, show, VLAN, brief. See, both VLAN created with the interfaces. Go to second switch, same process will do. Enable config T, right? VLAN 2, name, HR, interface range, FA 0/1 to 4, switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 2, right? Next, VLAN 3, name, marketing, okay? Interface range, FA 0/1 5 to 8, switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 3. Exit, exit, show, VLAN 3. Done. Then see, this connection comes in both the VLAN 2 and 3. So what we do? We can make it trunk. What is trunk? Trunk is a link which carry multiple VLAN information. Multiple VLAN information. Okay. Okay. So let me go to our first switch. enable quantity. What I can write? Interface. Which interface is connected? FA0, right? Interface FA0/9. Switch port mode trunk. Done. Same on the second switch we can do. Enable quantity interface FA0/9. Then switch port mode trunk. ये क्या हुआ? Switch port mode trunk. Done. Invalid detected. Invalid input detected. Nothing. Okay. So let me write IP addresses for each. 192.168.10.1, 192.168.10.2, 192.168.10.3, 192.168.10.4, 192.168.10.5, 192.168.10.6, 192.168.10.7, 192.168.10.8, 192.168.10.9, 192.168.10.10, 192.168.10.11, 192.168.10.12, 192.168.10.13, 192.168.10.14, 192.168.10.15, 192.168.10.16. Okay, so let me assign IP address to our PC and check if the connection is correct or not. One 92.168.10.1. Done. Our message created. Start. Send to the first switch. Broadcast. Left side, it is sending to the HR team only. Then we can also try on the right side. Let me assign IP address 192.168.10.5. Start. Our message sent. Broadcast. Trunk is working correctly. Okay. Let me take one more example for this. take 3 switches. Switch 1, switch 2, and our switch 3. Connected with some PC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connecting it with connecting wire. Then here is also, we have 2 departments. Okay. This is our first department, HR department. And this is our second department, marketing department. Okay. Let me write HR department, VLAN 2, marketing department, VLAN 3. Right? I can also write some IP address 10.1, 192.168.10.2, 192.168.10.3, 192.168.10.4, 192.168.10.5, 192.168.10.6. Okay. So I will configure my first switch. Enable config T VLAN 2 name HR interface range switch range FA0/2/2 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 2. Again, I am creating a VLAN 3. Name marketing. Interface range FA0 slash, which range is this? FA0/1. Switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 3. Done. Same configuration we done in second switch. Enable config T, right? VLAN 2 name HR interface range FA0/1. Switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 2. Right? Next we go to VLAN 3 creation. Name marketing interface range FA0/2, switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 3, done. Same we will do in our third switch. Okay. Enable config T, right? First we create our VLAN 2, name HR, interface range, which range? FA0/3. 3, switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 2, done. Next, we create VLAN 3, name marketing, interface range FA0/3. It is connected to FA0/2, sorry. Right? Switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 3, done. Done. So here we create a trunk, right? Here also. This link also created as a trunk, right? And this link also. So what I will do, I will make a center switch as a trunk. Okay. Let me do. Interface FA0/. Can I write both this? 0/3 and 4 because it is of 3 and 4. Exit. Config int FA0/3 and 4. Happening. Int FA0/3 and 4. What is it? This enable config T interface FA0/3 and 4. Interface range. Let me write FA0/3 and 4. Done. Switch port mode trunk. Done. Let me assign IP address 192.168.10.6. आप मैसेज created. We only make this link's trunk, not yet this. And we try what will happen. Is message return or no? This link is shared here. How? All the links in working, right? DTP protocol is working. So, in DTP protocol, if we make this two link trunk, this will also will get the trunk. All the link will work correctly. Okay. So, let me assign simulation reset. Okay. Let me assign IP address to marketing VLAN also. 192.168.10.3. Let me check is it working or not. Our message created, send. It working. Right? So, dear, let me tell you about the DTP modes. Two modes, administrational and operational mode, and administrative mode and operational mode. Okay. So, we have a two switch. Okay. Connected. This is switch 1, switch 2. Okay. So, default, we have our switch is in dynamic auto mode. Okay. And operational mode mean in which way your switch link will perform. Okay. So, we have two switch. Switch 1, switch 2 connected. Switch 1, switch 2. Interface of switch 1 is FA01, FA0/1. Both is connected with the interface. Okay. So let me write. This is our administrative. This is our operational mode. Operational mode already I have talked that it is the way your switch link will perform, right? Okay. So switch 1, switch 2, FA0/1, FA0/1. Okay. So if our interface is in access mode and another is also is in access mode, the operational mode will be access mode. Okay. If our switch 1 is in desirable auto dynamic auto mode, dynamic auto mode, and our second switch is also in the dynamic auto mode, so our operational link is access mode. Then our switch 1 is in dynamic dynamic auto mode, and second switch is in trunk mode. So what will be the operational mode is trunk. Okay. When our switch is in one is in trunk mode and our switch 2 is also in trunk mode. So what is our operational mode is trunk. Okay. Then when our switch is in dynamic desirable mode, dynamic desirable mode, and our second switch is also in dynamic desirable mode. So our operational mode is trunk, because dynamic desirable mode also work as trunk. Okay. So when our switch 1 is in dynamic desirable mode and our switch 2 is in dynamic auto mode, what is our operational mode? Trunk. When our switch 1 is in trunk mode and our switch 2 is in access mode, what is our operational mode? Access. So when our switch 1 is in dynamic auto mode and our switch 2 is in access mode, our operational mode is in access. Dynamic desirable mode, when our switch is one switch and our second switch is in access mode, operational mode is access. When our switch 1 is in trunk mode and our switch 2 is in dynamic desirable mode, then our operational mode is trunk. If you want to write this, you have to also learn this. So please take a screenshot of this. Okay. So let me proceed. Negotiation of DTP request will happen. Just like dynamic desirable mode. Shake hand, send to DTP. Okay. It will convert trunk and trunk send DTP to dynamic desirable mode. It will also create a trunk. Okay. Negotiation will accepting to make the trunk. Negotiation. Yes. Accepting here to make trunk. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand. If you have any query, please comment us. Thank you. Other topic we will cover in our next video.